Good morning, class. I hope everyone is doing well. This week we have several things that I wanted to bring to your attention. If you haven't already, you need to go in and read the week 3 announcements, and this will cover a lot of information. The main thing I want to talk about today is the introduction speeches. They are due by the end of this week, Saturday by 5 p.m. Go on to this week's module, week 3 module, and click on the assignment. It's the last page in the module, but you can click ahead and look at it. Read this assignment very carefully. It's a short speech, 2 to 3 minutes long. You're going to tell us about yourself and your hobbies, whatever you choose to share with the class. Now, since we're taking this class online, we do speeches a little differently. I think you've probably already read in the Start Here module how to go about recording your speeches, but I just want to reiterate. You need to gather an audience of at least 6 adults, 18 or older, no children. You can have children in your audience, but they don't count as a live audience. And you need to speak to that audience. That means you need to direct your attention, your eye contact to the audience. Now, one of those audience members will have a camera, a phone, or something to record you, and we definitely need them to do that. Make sure that they keep the camera on you, the speaker. Before your speech begins, they do need to pan the audience so I can see the 6 audience members, including the camera person. But then once you start speaking, the camera should remain on you. All right, so speak to the audience, don't speak to the camera. We want to emulate a classroom setting as much as possible, or professional speech setting as much as possible. And that does not always necessarily include speaking to a camera. Once you have your recording, you will want to upload that onto YouTube and then copy and paste the link under the assignment discussion board. I went ahead and broke you into 3 large discussion groups, so there won't be as many discussions happening, and you'll have about 20 people in the class that you'll go back and forth with on your discussions for the chapter discussions and also for these speeches. So what you want to do, upload your link to the discussion board, make sure it's working, make sure it's not set to private so we can see it. And then the other part of the assignment is you need to go and critique at least 4 other classmates' speeches. This helps us learn and grow and figure out, as a speech critic, what are some things we like to see in a speaker and what are some things that we don't like to see. So what I want you to do is offer a well-stated, constructive critique of at least 4 classmates' speeches. So that means watching their videos and then replying under their video 3 things you thought they did well and 3 things you think they could improve. It's perfectly okay to get feedback that helps us grow and improve, so don't be offended by feedback, and certainly don't get your feelings hurt. Of course, we're going to state our feedback in a very professional and positive way, but 3 things the speaker could improve and 3 things they did well. Those are the things you want to do for at least 4 other classmates. All right, if you have any questions about this, please let me know. Don't wait till the last minute. Make sure you start gathering your audience of 6 right now and plan for that for this week. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you very much.